Hello, my name is Rudi from Viljandi Vocational School, and I am going to show you our festo automation learning system setup. This week we got it working as a complete system, like a mini factory setup. We needed 3 computers to make it work, and we have connected together 4 learning stations. It's because Festo software doesn't allow more than 1 unit per computer. So let's see how it works. Okay, now I show you how the software works, how does it look, and what we have set up here with students. It's called Festo Fluid Sim, and we have already complete working system here. And now it's a little bit too big. Okay, now it's all shown here. This is the Festo multi-pin plug, and to it there is connected Festo mini port which connects the computer USB port to the learning station. And as you can see, we have circuit diagram here. It's called ladder diagram, and there's sensors, relays, time relays and contacts, and there's a system. It has to be made so that this row is input signals from the station sensors, and this is output signals to station motors, solenoids and valve actuators, pneumatic valve actuators. But I'll show you how the station looks like and what did we manage to get working. Okay, here's the first part of the system, first learning station, and these stations that our school have are managing and working with this kind of pieces, like they are like products here, which have to be converted and moved from the beginning to the end. And the first thing that this system does is these pieces are in here, and this pneumatic cylinder has to move them out of here one by one. And there's a time relay which does it once, and then after 5 seconds the next one. Now I start it, then you can see what does it do. Okay. As you can see, the next part of the system is a conveyor. This is with electric motors, and then there's a solenoid which selects the plastic or metallic parts, which will be in different ways. Now we see what the whole system does. the last piece is the manipulator, which lifts the piece, and then it will be in the box, will be pushed in the box with the last pneumatic cylinder. And that's about the most difficult system we have managed to build with this festo learning systems, automation systems. And now all the pieces have been moved, and time will be soon over, and the conveyor motors will stop also. Thank you. Okay, another clip which shows you how does the simulation work here in this festo program, this fluid sim. It's at once there's a simulation, and it also, if the festo miniport and the learning station is connected, then the simulation also drives the learning station's valves and gets the signals from the sensors. Now I start this, and then you can see what does it look like. The red lines show that there is power, and then it also shows the signals. Green lights are from signals from sensors, and yellow ones show that this computer drives the outputs. And I hope you can hear that the station works at the moment, and this is how it looks like in the computer. The simulation can be done without the station also, but you get some error messages that the conveyors are not connected, but you can try it. Okay, the magazine is now empty. As you can see, I think that we cannot make much more complicated system out of these pieces. That's why I think it would be very interesting if we could add here, like here in between these two conveyors, robotic arm or something that would lift those pieces from one conveyor to another, or a system that would carry those final pieces itself to the beginning, for example, and add them here. But this is how it is at the moment. One more last clip to show you what the other two computer screens and software looks like. and I'll start it again. Thank you very much for watching and see you later.